Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix enable to remove there is an active subscription in your payment method. So let's get started without wasting any time. If you are facing this type of problem in your iPhone and iPad iOS 16, then I will show you how can you fix it. So what you need to do is just simply open settings, and then you have to tap on your Apple IT panel here, and then you have to tap on media and purchases, and from here you have to tap on view account, and then you have to wait for a while. So from here you have to scroll it on and you have to tap on subscriptions, and from here you have to delete or clear all your subscription if available here. So firstly you have to remove all your subscription one by one, and then go back from here, and then you have to tap on change country origin, and then again tap on change country origin. From here you have to select your country, so you have to wait for a while. So from here you have to read terms and conditions. So here as you can see, it's showing here terms and conditions, so you have to read it carefully and then tap on agree, and again tap on agree. And from here you have to select your payment method, so you have to select at none, and from here you have to put your billing address. Now you can put fake one as well, from here you can also put fake one, and from here you have to select your correct state. So after selecting state you have to put the correct zip code. If you don't know about zip code, then you can search on Safari browser or another browser, and here you have to put your phone number. You can also put fake one, and then tap on next, and after that you have to tap on done. So after that your problem will be fixed, because your country origin or payment method will be changed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.